In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notion widget to desktop. Welcome back, and thank you for being here. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple and practical way to create a desktop shortcut or widget that opens a specific Notion page directly. This method is perfect for quickly accessing your important pages, whether it's a planner, project tracker, or any frequently used document, without having to navigate through your browser or Notion app each time. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up a shortcut that functions like a Notion widget on your desktop. To start, open the browser where your Notion page is located. Navigate to the page that you want to turn into a desktop shortcut. Once you are on the page, look for the three dots at the top right corner of your browser. Clicking these dots will open a menu with multiple options. From the menu, select the option labeled Cast, Save, or Share, depending on your browser. Within that submenu, you will see an option to create a shortcut. Click Create Shortcut, and a small window will appear asking if you want to rename your shortcut. You can give it a descriptive name, such as Daily Planner, Project Tracker, or whatever suits the page you're linking to. This step is optional, but naming your shortcut helps you easily identify it on your desktop. After naming the shortcut, click Create. The shortcut will now appear on your desktop as an icon. Whenever you double-click this icon, it will open the specific Notion page that you selected. This effectively functions as a Notion widget, giving you instant access to your page without opening the browser and navigating through multiple tabs. It's a quick and efficient way to stay organized and keep your most important pages just a click away. This method works on most modern browsers and provides a seamless way to integrate your Notion workspace into your daily workflow. By creating multiple shortcuts for different pages, you can turn your desktop into a powerful productivity hub. It's a small step that can make accessing your pages faster and more convenient, helping you save time and stay focused. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.